Hi guys, this is the reading of our air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay, proceed na tayo sa ating air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. And guys, if you want a personal reading, you can just direct message me here in my Facebook account and then inquire in my admin team for the price of the personal reading. Okay po? Yes, may bayad po ang pagpapa-personal reading guys. Okay? And then proceed na tayo. What's up with our air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius? Okay? What's up with our air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius? Please give me more insight about our air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay. What's the energy of our air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius? Okay. I have here the Devil card. Okay. Okay, I have here from the bottom of the deck, ayan, nabubulol na ako, is the Strength card. Maging matatag ka, labanan mo yung the Devil card na lumabas kanina, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay? Bakit lumabas si the Devil card? Okay, ayan. The Devil card, kumulog bigla. Okay, may thunderstorm tayo ngayon dito sa Olonga po. Oh my gosh. Okay, the Devil card, meaning you're doing a toxicity. Okay, you're doing a toxicity or you may be dealing with your shadow karma right now. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay? And then I have here the second card of your, which is the common energy is the Temperance card. This is moderation. Okay. Kailangan mo maghintay. Okay, kailangan mo maghintay kung ano man yung gusto mong gawin sa ngayon. And then I have here the Six of Pentacles, dear. Walang masama tumulong, pero kailangan alam mo kung anong ginagawa mo at alam mo ang limitasyon mo. Okay? Kaya tayo may Strength card dito. Okay? Ayan o yung kanina, the Strength card in Leon, di ba? Alam mo, kung ano man yung katoksikan, yung kadevilan na ginagawa mo ngayon, air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay? I-stop mo na yan. Okay, i-stop mo na yan, proceed ka na sa tamang takbo ng buhay mo, sa magandang gawain. Kung gusto mo na maging blessed ka, gumawa ka ng mabuti. Okay? Kung ikaw man ay third party, itigil mo na yan. Okay? Kasi it will not help you to grow and awaken who you truly are. Who you truly are. Diba? Kasi I have here the Star. This is a courage. You have to make courage to yourself na kaya mo yan. Andito yung ating Nine of Swords na kung saan binabangungot ka gabi-gabi. Because of that Devil card na ginagawa mo, yung katoksikan, may mali kang ginagawa, okay? Kung hindi naman, sabi ko nga po sa inyo, meron kayong kinakaharap ngayon na which is what we call this is the karma, okay? Yan na yung bawi ng mga ginawa mo before na hindi maganda. And then I have here the Hangman na hindi talaga makapag-desisyon. Okay? Kasi nahihirapan mag-desisyon dahil may mali. Okay? Yeah, I have here the Three of Swords. Okay? You are so devastated of love. That's why. Kasi I am seeing here na iniwan ka with the Five of Swords. Iniwan ka or posible na pinaglaban mo to pero okay, at the end, ikaw pa rin yung inano niya. Anong tawag dito? Ikaw pa rin yung tinabla niya. 'Di ba? Kita mo 'yan? Devastated. There is a broken heart. Meron ka pang natanggap na last letter galing sa kanya, a goodbye letter. Okay? This is the Three of Swords. Nag-away kayo. Oh, sorry. This is the Three of Swords and the Five of Swords. May pag-aaway, may impulsiveness, merong sumbatan, merong murahan ako nakita dito. Okay? Kung hindi naman din, this man is already turning his back. Okay? Possible talaga na may asawa to with the King of Wands. You see, this is a King of Wands energy. Kita mo yan? Ayan, no? King of Wands. May asawa po iyan. Okay, happily married siya. Okay? You have to end it with the Death card. Nagpaparamdam talaga siya sa akin. Okay? Ayan, no? This is the Death card. You must end something. Kasi para magkaroon ng panibagong hudyat ng simula para sa'yo. May ibibigay sa'yo sa universe na kung saan makakapagsimula ka ulit. Kung hindi man tao ito, possible ito, may tutulong sa'yo with the Six of Wands na kung saan yung karir mo magiging blooming kapag tinapos mo tong the Devil na to. The Devil card also saying na hindi lang sa aspeto ng buhay to, okay? Hindi lang din sa katoksikan na aspeto ng buhay. This is also saying na kung halimbawa may kinakain ka na alam mong hindi na healthy, hindi na makakabuti sa iyo, itigil mo na 'yan. Kumain ka na ng healthy, alagaan mo yung health mo, okay? Or you may be dealing with your karmic relationship right now with the Devil card. Okay, you may be dealing with your karmic relationship with the Devil card. Okay, take what resonate, guys. Take what resonate. Kailangan mong manalig kay universe, manalangin, okay? Kasi there is so many attack to you with this reading. Kumbaga maraming umaatake ngayon. Okay, nandito yung para ka nababalisa, may panic attack, may anxiety, may hindi ka makatulog sa gabi, nababangungot ka, okay? And then, what else? Yun lang guys. If you want a personal reading, okay, nabanggit ko na po kanina. At mag-ingat po kayong lahat. Okay, God bless po and good luck.